Okay, this is how to make a homemade airsoft shotgun that shoots 15 to 20 airsoft BBs every shot. What you'll need is a cloth, preferably a sheet from a bed or something, cut into a little square, and of course BBs, and preferably a barrel rod, or you can use a screwdriver. What you do is you get the cloth, you put it inside the barrel, and then shove it in with the barrel rod, and you should see a hole, and then you fill that hole with BBs. There's the BBs. And then it works with any paintball gun. I'm just using this crappy little pistol. It's spring powered, but I'm sure it'll work better with a normal paintball gun, and it'll have more room inside the barrel because this is a really small barrel. It's .50 caliber. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how it shoots. Okay. Here's how it shoots. And the cloth stays right in front of the gun.